Hello friends, welcome. I'm Tanushree. Some fun ways to learn English at home, comfortably sitting in your place. So you don't have to take any stress. At the comfort of your home, you can learn a language which is completely unknown to you, or maybe you know it partially, or maybe you already know it very well, but you want to improve it a bit. Now here are some tips. Try to sing English karaoke from YouTube. Nowadays in the internet you will find lots of karaoke sites. You can type any you can say initials of your favorite song, and you will get the karaoke right there, and you can practice it by hearing to the tune and by listening by reading the lyrics. Now in this process you will not only learn words, you will also enjoy the thing. It will not be a boring stuff. Whenever you are reading something in English, read it loudly so that you hear, so that it enters your mind and you know what you are speaking. It's not that you are just saying something in a blah 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 and you don't even know what you are learning or what you are registering in your mind. While exercising, play some English songs and videos. Now, all of us keep a portion of our day for some workout. May it be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour. Even more than that, try to listen to your English songs so that you know what you are doing, and so that you enjoy not only your exercise but you enjoy also your learning English. Try to plan out some English speaking events where there will be only English speaking. Now, it might sound some sort of repetition, but it's not that. Now, events like debates or some quizzes or uh, some common activities in your club or anything amongst your common friends or close friends, you can have some events where there will be only the medium of communication will be English. Trust me, it's going to work like miracles, and it's going to boost your confidence as well. Talk with friends online in English as much as possible. Try to communicate with them throughout the day in tips and bits. Do some recording of your own voice speaking in English and try to rectify your mistakes. So once you hear your voice, you know what you are saying, and in the process you will be able to recognize the mistakes. Try to memorize the most catchy lines of your favorite movies in English. The most catchy lines, the lines that you want to remember, if you are practicing them in English, then they are not only serving your craving, your love for that film, but it will also improve your English. Have your own blogs where you can express your ideas in English. Express yourself, and expressing yourself in the language that you are learning will help you immensely. Whatever steps you adopt to learn English, makes you sure to have fun. Do it in a game way, do it in an activity way, do it in some common events. So try to have fun rather than turning it out into a boring process. To learn a language nicely, try to read about its background and culture. Yes, knowing a bit of the background and culture will help you motivate, will help you in encouraging why you are learning the language, and why you should adopt some kind of liking for the language. So this is all in the for today in this lesson, and yeah, we'll be meeting surely in the next lesson. Till then, if you are liking my lessons, please do not forget to click the red subscribe button by going to the link of my channel. It's absolutely free, and if you are finding these lessons helpful, do share with your loved ones. Please give me your valuable comments, and please let me know your feedback. I would be very happy to receive them. Bye bye for now. Take care.